the best, but we have to do this today. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Yes, the energy is a little bit low, and please ignore the noise you're hearing. That's the sound of the pumping machine. I don't even know, like, ignore that. So, yeah, it's been like a week since I vlogged. Well, voluntarily at first, but then again, since I made this air on Sunday. Today is Friday. By the way, happy Good Friday, guys. Well, no matter when you get to see this video, but happy Good Friday. Ooh. So, yeah, I stopped vlogging just to take a break. Nothing serious, nothing. There was nothing wrong with me. But after I made this air, I don't know if it was fatigue or there was an impending malaria, should I call it, episode that was to come. So when I made my hair on Sunday, like I literally used the whole of Sunday to make my hair. So I couldn't film the outro because I was so tired. I just went ahead and made dinner and ate, and then just went to rest ahead of money. Because if there's one thing about me, let me say like I say, one thing about me. So one thing about me, I always like to have a restful Sunday because of course I'm resuming work on Monday. And work is not the most fun thing. So I don't like to resume the work after being stressed. Like I don't like it at all. So if I can avoid it, in short, I always try to avoid being too stressed. So after making my hair, I was tired. I decided that okay, I probably would wake up in the middle of the night to do my makeup. Probably I'll take makeup to work. But I was like, no, maybe when I get back, I'll just film the outro. I'll do my makeup, film my outro. But then again, I was like, I don't want to waste the makeup because I would like to film some reels. I've been slacking on my Instagram. Like, I have for over a month now, I've not had reels to post. So I'm like, no, when I do the makeup, I would like to just film reels and all of that all together so I don't waste the makeup and the time to do the makeup. And now it's Friday, so thankfully we have a public holiday today. I decided that today I'll do it, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. That's going to be on the agenda for today. And by the way, the hair is already getting rough, imagine, because I do not blow dry my hair. Like I don't use it to stretch out or blow out my hair, so obviously the roots are not always stretched, so they don't look as neat as they would if I went to the salon, if that makes sense. So now imagine my hair now, like 5 days after. So it's not going to be looking like the newest of hair, but we're going to work with that. And also, I want to make banana bread. I've wanted to make banana bread for 2 weeks now. And that's one thing about me. You see all these things like all this ceramic cooking I may do. I might have started planning it from like weeks and weeks. But yeah, I'm going to finally be making my banana bread because I have bananas. Overripe bananas I don't want to waste. Like, yeah. If they spend one more day, they're going to just be unusable. So I just now want to do my makeup and film the outro for the video, as I mentioned earlier on in the vlog. So that's what I want to do, and I thought that I should check in on you guys. Okay, so today is kind of slow, but we're getting there. We're getting the hang of things. Like I said, I'm not feeling the best, but we have to do this. Today cannot waste.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I just got done doing my makeup. What do you guys think? I really like the makeup. I don't know, it's very simple as per usual, but like this lighting is not doing justice, but I really love it. Like I looked in the mirror and I'm like, whoa, I think I like the way the foundation blends. I think I need to do a little bit of more work with the application of my, I still have a lot to learn with the application of my blush, but all in all, I think the makeup came out really nice. So I think I should film another makeup video soon. Today, like I said, my energy is really low, so that's why I couldn't film it right now. So yes, I'm just going to go ahead and film the outro and intro for my passion twist video. Okay.
No show, no good.
The next day.
Get over. See this one. Get